Welcome to Research Rocks. Now in this video I will provide you information how to set backside trunk in my Tesla. It's very easy. So here is my Tesla and look at this, the backside. If I press here, my trunk is open here. And now most of time if you are parking is a small height of size, but this trunk is greater than of my car, so you can sit here very easily. This is if I press here, so now the down, if I press again, so the constant, the height is a set. If I press again here and like again press, so like this height. So you can set your Tesla backside trunk height using this key. If I key here and again press, so like this, the height is a constant. So using these tips and tricks you can set your backside trunk height. After that you click and the trunk is automatically shut down. It's easy.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.